Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix and Aim. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix storage full on Android. If your Android phone shows storage full, it can slow down the phone and stop apps from working. Here are simple ways to fix storage full on Android. The first step is to clear app cache. To do that, all you have to do is to go to your phone settings just this way. Click on the app management or app list directly. Click on the app list here. So the next thing you have to do is to select the particular app that you feel has higher storage on your phone. Click on the storage and cache and clear your cache. The next step you can take is to delete unused app. To delete unused app, you have to go to the home page of your phone. Click steadily on the particular app you feel that has higher storage. Let's say just like this app, click steadily on it. Click on the uninstall option here and confirm you want to uninstall it from your device because you don't make use of it any longer. The next step you can take is to delete large video and download. Video and download files are often the biggest storage used on the phone. So to delete it, all you have to do is to go to your file manager. So right here on my file manager, all the next thing I have to do is to click on the videos or on downloads. Let me click on the video option here. So you just select the particular video that you feel you want to delete and click on the delete option here. Confirm you want to delete it. If you want to delete it permanently, you have to also confirm it here and delete it permanently from your phone. I was able to delete this video now from my file manager. That way my phone now have a space. You can also delete your photos like that. The next step you can take is to clear your WhatsApp storage. WhatsApp storage is one means that makes our phone to get full. That app contains so much files that makes the phone to easily get full. In order to reduce the storage there, all you have to do is to go to your WhatsApp. So right here, you just have to click on the three lines found at the top right corner. And right here, the next thing you have to do is to click on the settings option. So you just have to scroll gently and click on storage and data. So right here, you have to click on manage storage. So the next thing you have to do here is to delete your large files. So you just have to select the particular large files that you want to delete and delete it from your phone, from your WhatsApp. So just delete it. I was able to delete this. So you just continue until you delete as much as you wish to delete. Just select and delete. The next step you can take is to delete duplicate photos. Many phones have duplicate pictures. You can use app like Find by Google to automatically find and delete this duplication. Another way you can easily reduce your storage on your phone is to use light apps. Light apps use little space or little storage on the phone. So examples of light app that I mean is like your Facebook Lite or your Messenger Lite. So any of these can be of help to reduce storage on your phone. Don't forget to restart your phone after clearing your storage to make your phone more faster. If this video was helpful, follow Glide Tech Fix and Aim for more phone tricks that makes money. Thanks for watching.